May going to Voices Unveiled with Guikhan special episode Kauriu Lawe aside from programs hai new interaction ka ma khau mi tong interaction hai Mighty Six Assam Rifles Tamenglong khau ba minun rina support long mi lung khau new tong successful candidate recently result declared sukan mai Manipur Public Service Commission khau new Tamenglong khau rina ajau ka mai phungong kan mai Manipur Police Service khau palau na ba mai new recha khong sumai Sir Dinsuibou Moita kani Sir Kanpatlung Gangmei may goit na kang present sa lam tungi welcome to Voices Unveiled kahaw may suna jan suna to Iris Halo kan he kumiti ki nang na itong tin ka brief sumay na self introduction dati lakam po
ajan na Kanpatlung Gangmei tite kuma ai considered kore original kuma tel long mo mero medical colony Tamenglong khalung ba me kuma raliam kha kaporo gon ta paina daine thungkuwe kuma tel I just want to thank the Mighty Six Assam Rifles also for giving us this opportunity and climb kha ni to encourage na ba mai means Guikhan tani paina daine thungkuwe kuma I also want to congratulate brother Moita and other successful candidates from our community, and that's all I want to say.
This is Dinsuibou Moita. If you talk about my background, my family is originally from Talon village, and presently we are residing in ward number 5 here in Singkulong. And if you talk about my educational background and all, I did my studies in Shillong, and thereafter we have been writing the exam, brother and I, and by God's grace we have been successful this time, and we look forward to many more achievements in the future as well. And as he have said also, we'd like to congratulate everyone who was successful, and looking forward towards this event as well. It is a privilege for all of us. When the invitation came, I was quite humbled actually. It's a gratifying moment, but still also a humbling moment that we could share the stage with such esteemed soldiers, so to say, in a way, esteemed officers who are here in Assam Rifles as well. I believe that is all for now.
Pai na khatun ko the kuma introduction khani ka gena milat sa chui na salo kan the kuma katin kha deeper sumai na nai lam khong ma thaila ni ngai to preparation ngai to journey ta phau milung khani meet ki rai mai suna result exam hai first attempt karapat me harau the mi tong exam mai ni kum zarna to be finally selection phang he to mitong ni how do you feel kuma asai ni new Mighty Six Assam Rifle khani nang nai tong journey ka support la na ba mai nai tong parents nun ka wai kuma gong la na sai kum felicitation program nai bam khawai ni be express la ni bo tam tak ma rai na thala ni
The civil service preparation ko bisokna atong personal journeys na ho tingkum suruk sanai ho hanani kuma tingkum 2018 khro ai thau khau hai UPSC ni thau khau na 2020 ton calendar year khata interview ni golawe ma hetang ta assistant commandant ni thodat ni tho he ki written ho clear so he ki physical khata tena so sa ma menoi na ni kuma ton kan ne he kuma next hotel bank tong thoda he ni bank tong thona by God's grace I got through SBI le na Canada tong phang he ni ta Canada ta chu so he kuma teo Tamenglong branch of Canada kho assistant managers na ni kuma bam to he kuma in the meantime kuma MPSC to ni pada he kuma kho MPSC to ni tholo he tholo na I think we gave the exam in 2023, right?
Prelims.
Yes. So we waited for almost 3-4 years, and finally result at 22nd April. Why not? By God's grace, we could make it to the final list. So ro tana paina daina thung ko ko meton journey ta kai ma ups and down paina struggle ho noi ni ning kai ma ni noi kuma to be so khana ngam palak ni tum gani paina face de ko me ki ro na holo na ko me tong gan ha goi me ni ti lo ma hanta ro to paina daina thung ko ma kanai ma pui pu ni goi me ti lo we ni pui pu support so lo we to be so khana ani exam thopan khe tum nga kho ko mai pau na ram hen ani ก็ขุดไหม family นี่ share สุดนะปั้นมาแค่ตัวมึงเขาตัวบิสเขาลงนิ่งตาในรอปังมั่มกันนี่ก็ไม่นี่อาจุริเวก็มึงเขาคนนี้ใส่ปั้นมึงเขาเนี่ยตัวนี้ทุกคนเรานี้ก็ขุดไหมนี่ปูสวยก็น้องไว้ตัวนี้ทุกคนเรานี้ and I want to give thanks to all our well wishers who have been praying for my success ni it's a long time coming to be so kana UPSC interview going nga ni paina lom na mga ni han support paina sla hai ki we could not make it but this time roran zelo na pa he ni mga ha paina thungku la ni mo thungku la ni tong mo ni ta ni
More or less, it's in the same line. He started in 2018. I started in 2017, a year previous to that. Thereafter, it has been a humbling journey, so to say. It's been a while. It's been a story about resilience, evolution also in a way as an individual, right? Thereafter, now it's been what, almost 10 years, you can count it. 2026 is 9 years already. Thereafter, if you think upon it, the perspective as an individual also changes. This exam is, you have to think of it as a big thing, right? And preparation-wise, if you talk about it, we learn as we grow, yeah? And then I believe we have to be motivated. There should be something that you set for yourself, not only for yourself, but you're doing this for the people, for the community you come from, the background we have, right? All of us here, when we are here, when we think about the representatives in the civil services, representative in all the bigger organization, this and that, we are very much lacking. And that is also a source of inspiration. Thereafter, I believe that what it builds in us is that not to give up the attitude, right? Thereafter, I would say preparation has been very integrated. It's like different preparation for prelims, for mains, thereafter for interview. One good experience that Brother Kanpat also he had said about everybody who was praying for us and all like that. It was his experience in the 2020 interview. Same was my experience in 2024. I gave my interview last year in February 2025. The experience was wonderful in a way, though at the end both of us were unsuccessful to be there in the finalists. But I believe what we learned from that, the outcome of that was very rich for us. We could build on that. And as we were also preparing for the UPSC, preparing for other exams, MPSC came out again last year. The mains was written in November. Thereafter, we got our results this year, March. Then after that, we did our interview. And the last day of the interview was the 22nd. And thereafter, we got our results. And by God's wonderful grace and his provision, right, we all got that. So as he had said also, we are thankful for everyone. We are thankful for this support system that we have, right? Our family, our friends, our well-wishers. It's very important. This exam, it takes a lot of you. Yeah. And unless you have a support system, be it your family, your friends, your church, the community, it's very difficult. So I would also encourage those who are aspirants right now. They may be going through the same thing, difficult process. In that matter, I would say reach out. Reach out to our officers who are already there in service. Reach out to people who are your seniors who are giving exams. Reach out to even us. We don't know who you are per se, but if you come forward, we are also more than willing to help from our experiences. Learn not only from the success, that is just the cover, I would say. Learn from our mistakes. Learn not to repeat the same thing that we have done, right? So that there will be evolution in what we do. Okay, so that is it for now.
Thank you so much. Kuma share situation ni kuma shares lau kan the mi khata tingku mai gai simran he ni more than 5 years to me career khat na kha pursue so ni he na kuma devoted so hang suba mi ha ni khani family support ram ge to thai community tong support na bums ni personally struggle ta gai hang abam kane ni kuma la loi kumbam ni na tho hai tang lau mak san ho tat good ra ni de tu mi tong motivation tai ni we tun rela tong tum nik tin hak ma shares lau da ponam salani eta ham de ko shang ta ni haya mugwai na rin na civil service exam the clear su wet ho prestigious su hang many mugwai na rin na honor su mai mugwai na ka hao mai the hai zang da rin ni thousands and thousands kama mugwai na tao tha na bam tong he ni kumba mi khawat nang nai tong su na ho the bi zang rin na career khat sam zang ra hai tung career de ta ni ra mata tung ni ram ge tha bi tung inspiration kore ni hai san na struggles na ta good bams ni han mi tung ma nga asai hai la tao na bam tong tum ta ti na shares la po
If you think about in that way, I would have to go back right to my childhood, I would say. So I grew up mostly with my grandparents. Many of you also might know my grandfather, late M. Tundao. He instilled that desire of public service within me, I would say that. He was a people person. So also, he was a leader of our Delengrong community. Thereafter, from there, my exposure was that first. Then I pursued on with what I thought what would be best for me. If you talk about my academics also, while doing my graduation, I was selected for the DST Inspired Fellowship. Then I thought maybe possibly I should go to the academics ground, to the master's, PhD, and so on and so forth. But then again, the experience was such that when you see the kind of impact that the civil services can bring onto the lives of thousands and thousands of our people, there is no other service that can bring such an impact at the grassroots level. That is what I firmly believe. And then motivation per se, it have to be bigger than yourself. If you only think about yourself, you can do many other things in life. Yeah, countless opportunities are there, especially in this 21st century. It's our digital age. Yeah, and then there's so many things that can be done. But then again, you have to think of a greater purpose, I would say. You should think of I would like to bring in biblical reference here a little bit.
Sure.
As we know the parable of the sower, you should at the end it says we are to bring back a 30-fold, a 60-fold, a 100-fold of your talents. So also I firmly believe that with the talents that you have given, God had given unto you, we should also be able to bring back a 30-fold or a 60-fold, a 100-fold of all that. So with that vision in mind, I felt like there is something more to life than individually. No, community is important. Not only that, if you think in a broader, more aspect, you can think about the nation building. You'll be part of that story. Thereafter, another motivation for me would be the representation aspect. For me, that's very big. As a Zelengrong also, but specifically when you look with a closer lens, you would see the Liangmais. Okay, I would like to divert a little bit there. We are quite few till now, especially in the higher civil services. Our Rongmei brothers are much more in number in that aspect. That is also one of a kind of a motivation for me, I would say, that we need more representation. With more representation comes the voice of the people, right? The voice of the people who were not heard. See, I come from Taron, right? The voices of that people also I'm representing. Not only that, I'm representing the Tamenglong district. I am representing Manipur. I am representing India. So right from the micro level towards the broader level, I believe you have to think that through. Then I would slightly point out that motivation as such, it comes and goes. It's temporary. But what you need to put in is a system that works for you. You have to set it in your heart also that this is where I have to be. This is what I need to achieve. Trials and error comes, right? Disappointment comes. As we go back to the support system is required for such things. But then again, when you have that belief that there's a greater purpose that you need to fulfill, it gives you another push. And I believe this many years of dedication, struggle, is a testament to that. Motivation alone doesn't work. That is what is important. And it's also, you need God in such things. Yeah, you need to have faith. I'm not saying you have to believe only in this God, that God. There are many things, but there's something for you to stand on. You need that as well. And apart from that, you need guidance, you need good mentorship, and also you need to have the belief in yourself. You have to have the faith that you can do it, but not like I can do it, but you don't do anything about it. Many of us were like that. Many of my own peers, they're much better than I. They're much more capable than me. They're much more talented. Okay. But the dedication or the support, the system that they have doesn't work. They would only say, but they would not see through it. So that is also important. Believing is fine, but you must also work through it. Yeah. Would you like to add?
Saya sakam ta ani agree suwe katong gaina point da gaina sokan hani pata ke tina atom personal channel and ta question tong ta ni tina salo ni me ta atong journey he tho galao no khra to be so khana atong family ko tho first exposure de as a civil servant ni pu pao za ni pu za ni civil servant na ka khun khra noi na tum tong mai gina ni so I took inspiration from others ni not from within the family per se but I to be so khana phang tao mia pui pu khra na ka seng goi me phang ni pui na pu ni to be so khana aram kho ta dc thai thilong phung naw ding so hai gang ta ni as a young boy ni how lam nga kho ai ni kumam ni tu me to khat dong ning khat pa mi ta ni hai kumang ta push through la mi pui ro ni so lawe ni kum enang su ni ta kum ni ne tu ta ni ma hai hu kho oi introduction ta pui ki nai pu zan so law tu ma hai pu zan ro na de thai rai gang mai ni pui zan ro na nam po liu ria mai de he kuma ka nai ro na tu pui push through la mi ta ni goi mi ta kuma later on DC Armstrong ni gong da ding so hai gang ta pai na motivation ta kuma takan mi ta ni kuma academies ko ta rai ta ho class 10 ko oi EBS ro pass we ni pass na 11 12 St Edmund school da he St Edmund school na St Edmund or St Stephen College Delhi go up to ho my ambition took a concrete step at that time because most of us were preparing for civil service only so my friends even now they are preparing for civil service most of us some of us clear MPSC together this time and some of them have already went through this UPSC they are already posted as an officer in different departments so idea ta pakhun khora Tamenglong khra pui pu dang kha bama noi tha he ni ki ho ambition hai lorani de he tu me tong sep so me to ho in college ni Stephen ho kum ngang ho bam pom pang ni ma riu gai ma ta ni ma ta ma so he ma to be motivate so ma ta ta kai na ba me tong motivation he to ho to be so khana ni na how lo me ta ni civil service khat na kan di khan to lo me tong platform ta how ma ni kum lo ni me tong ni pa mi ta kum na ram nga ram chilon za nga the brother ni so kam te ni bi so kana ka tong village tong advantage disadvantage goi me si me no ni ti ram za nga tina civil service ni re ma kuma hai kho kho leaders nun azur ni motivate lawe ni charge ni motivate lawe ram me kum khawam ti tha ko ni de tum tong ta kani ni push through slam te ni ta kom ni noi the kuma ram ta personally ni to motivate se ma ho hai ta lo ta na kan di han to no ni de tum tong lu ning ta hai pu ta nói mía ni tong kha khong ne ninge kuma haya oi so me so oi na so to me to me ki oi bank thopa de na ni bank I'm already posted as the assistant manager in Canara Bank ni it's one of the prestigious job if I say that I'll settle here and for myself I think it will be good enough ni hang personally hang so no ho nu kampong de na ninge financially ni but to be so khana kan dim khang to lo nim to platform kha kha civil service kha chuna so ni de to me to motivation tan noi tan tin ja khani ma push through suna bank kha bama kuma dari po ni po he ni po na kuma po wam nga ta pu pu ni kholo support lo ni mu ka dosh na ro ton zau zian ni ro na I have a favorite Bible verse in Proverbs 16:1 the preparation of the heart belongs to men, but the answer of the tongue is from God ni. Ani runa karang reng mam si tin thui lam ni hora gong de tumita. Ha ta nai tan tan. In all my exams ni to be so khana. Why hadi kramam si ro khara gong ni de tumita nu ning ta nai tan tan ni. Not te phe nong ho motivate so me tum ho. Hai goi all together ni ma kontra khang motivation te ta kai to.
ไปนะคะทนก็เทนังในเรนะบีจางเรก็เขาก็น้องโซตุ่มแต่กิ้งเราในบางไงมันไงนี่ convince ของเทนั่นนี่ไงให้ job profile guide นะสมัยระดับไงก็มีกินนี่ลุงดิ้งซิงเร community ค่ะตาเรานี่ดิ้งไงตุ่มไหนนายนะนังในนะสัจจ์นะสาลมขังตอนนี้ทนก็เทก็มาให้แต่กำลังคาเทตันก็ดันนี่ไม่ไกลแม้จุด community ขังตาเรานี่มีแต่นี่ก็มา look forward สบายนี่เทก็มีกี่เท่าตาไว้นึงนาย share สุกมก็มานึงนายตรง senior junior ก็มาตา exam prepares na ba may azuk ni nai de ni nang new tong maths pang ni clear sumai sumang ni nan he kup zara tingkum gai si gom zara na different faces ka ta nang new tong approach ni ให้เขาปั้นมั่งไม่ต้องให้เขากุมตะปงให้ตัวแบบมากระไลในนี่ different stage ค่ะแต่กระไลบางคงไงตัวใหม่ในหลุมไม่นี่กุมจางในตรงที่นะคะdeep สมัยนั้นนี่วิธีเขา approach นะก็มา study สุดแล้วไม่ successful สมัยบ่รับเงี้ยทั้งในตัว mistakes ก็ไม่นี่ point out แล้วนี่ท่านี่แล้วนู่นเองนี่ก็ที่นะคะก็มา guide แล้วปะ
Okay. Quite a bit we can talk about it, this interaction. Throughout the journey, I would say, first and foremost, the approach that you need to have. This is in general, the civil services, no? MPSC, though, we just gave once. So, can't really say. But then for the civil services, UPSC especially, if we talk in that respect, the approach has to be slightly different. Prelims, mains, you study in an integrative method. You study for both of them together. But when you're focusing on the prelims, it's more of an objective kind of a question. It's either you know, you don't know, and then there's an aspect called elimination techniques, this and that. The test is about reduction in a way. You study so many things, you prepare so many things, be it your basic books, advanced books, mock tests, and all those. But then again, you have to reduce all your knowledge into those 100 odd questions, and you have to be able to answer that. The GS paper, then the CSAT paper is 80 questions. You have to clear that as well. But mostly it's objective based. Then if you come to the mains portion, it talks more about your understanding, analytical aspect, you would have to say. You don't need to know too many things, but what you know, you should know deeply also. And then in your answers, sometimes when we don't know the question, right? There are many times when we don't know fully what the question is about. You go very broad in answering. Okay, you don't go deep in that portion. But then when you know deep, sometimes you should go, your answering should be structured like that. Thereafter, those two are the main ones, right? Mains carries a lot of marks, 1750, right? If I'm not mistaken. Thereafter, the interview also is another ball game altogether. Interview is the most, I would say, most evolving nature, I would call it. Sometimes it's difficult also if you think about it. Sometimes it's easy also if you think about it. They will say it's only your personality. But the amount of things that you prepare, you have to prepare from your educational background. You have to prepare from your place of birth. You have to prepare from your state. You have to prepare your subject. You have to prepare the current affairs. So it's really vast. But what gets asked in the interview, you really can't predict. Right? So it so happens that sometimes you prepare so much, but what they ask is totally unrelated. So that aspect is the interview is I would say it's a 50-50 ball game. You can expect something, you prepare on that, but I believe you should have the sense of mind so that whatever question they throw at you, you'll be able to handle. And it's advisable that if you do not know, just say you do not know. It's advisable to do that. Those are the process, I would say, in civil services. Then if you talk about, as you said, the mistakes, I would like to point out that in Manipur civil services, now we do not have any optional paper. But in UPSC, there's an optional paper that you have to choose. So to all the upcoming aspirants, even our people, even ourselves, to myself also, I remind myself this. Your optional have to be really, really good. And the mistake I did, I would not like anybody else to make that same, is that people will say, go for the optional where you're interested in, go for the optional where the toppers are scoring in, or go for the optional where this and that, many advices you will get, okay? But what I would say is that go for the optional, which will help in your general studies and whose syllabus is very less. My mistake would be in my first few attempts, I had written in history. It was not even related to my graduation paper at all, but I had a deep interest in history. So I wrote that. But the syllabus was so vast, it was quite impossible to revise everything, especially when the gaps are like 1 week, right? So it was quite difficult. But then in the last attempt that I had, where I reached an interview, I wrote in sociology. So that paper was, even the syllabus, right? It was, you can say, 1 page. History syllabus is more than 3 pages. All right. So make it a point that you choose an optional paper where you are able to revise properly. People will say, this is not scoring, that is not scoring. You see by yourself first. If you're able to score in that paper, it's fine. Some people had said, public administration, you'll not score well. Some people are scoring really well in that. So it's up to you whether you are able to score well in that paper or not. But it's highly advisable that the syllabus should be less. Pick an optional where the syllabus is less, where you are able to revise thoroughly and properly 2-3 times. And then in the mains as well, essay paper should be really strong. I feel that essay paper should be strong, and GS4, the ethics paper, those two have been a bit stronger. If you look at the data from UPSC and from all the coaching centers and the marks that comes out, paper 1, 2, 3, GS paper 1, 2, 3, the marks are quite similar. Even the toppers, even some of us who did not clear, our marks are not that much difference. But in GS4, in essay, and in the optional paper, the marks difference can be vast. And there are different approach to study each paper. So I would like to say that from what I have learned through my experience, right? I have written 5 mains. So what I have learned is that when your essay marks are good, your chances of clearing is better. And then GS4, no doubt, the toppers, they're able to score even 180 marks in that. So for us, our average would be 120, 130. They're scoring 180 in that, 40 marks difference already. And in optional, some of them, they will be scoring more than 300. And we will be stuck around 260, 270. Then that is also another issue. In mains, those are the two most important aspects, I think. Your essay and GS4. And then, 3 of them. And the optional paper. Then the approach from there is that another thing I would like to add in the mains paper, the approach is you should attempt all the questions. Don't leave even one of them. Even if you do not know thoroughly, right, the question would be there. 5 of them like that, you'll hardly have any idea of what it is. Out of 20 questions will be there, 10 you'll be able to know properly. But out of those 10, also 5 you'll be very good with it. 5 you'll be okay. Then the next 10, 5 of them will be, it's like toss of the coin. You might get it right also, you might get it wrong also. Then the other 5, you will know, but you'll be able to write something like that. So make it a point that you answer all of them. So, and be careful when you're preparing that you do not fall into the trap of this one, resources. Don't study too many things. Do not take too many books to read. Do not download so many test series that you don't have the time to revise or study. So minimize your resources, study the basic books, revise from that. Note making, it depends from person to person. It is highly advisable that you have your own notes. But again, another thing is that even if you have your own notes, complement it with a topper's notes. It's easily available online so that you see where are the gaps, where are the blind spots, where you're missing, right? And then you supplement each other. Then apart from that, when you are preparing, always have that system that you are able to complete certain topics in a week. I don't actually follow a daily target. I follow a weekly target. And then in that thing, if you can put 1 day for revision, suppose you've studied the first 5 or 6 days. On the 7th day, you can study, you can just revise everything you studied. That way, it stays in the head more. And then if you think about it, mock tests, mock exam, the test series, highly helpful. But it depends on how you use it. And there's a structure that you need to follow. There are ways to get the best out of it. And doesn't matter how much marks you score in the mock test. Do not be discouraged by it. Nah? Some of us, sometimes when we first started, out of 200, we would be scoring 50, 60. We would be very discouraged at that. But then it comes. Just remember that it's just a mock. You're there to learn your mistakes. That is not your final mark. That is not the qualifying mark either. Do not take it too hard, but learn from it. Nah? Mock tests can be very helpful if you are able to do like that, but don't take too much. For me, I would advise that one institute that you prefer, take that, just study from there, from the mock test where you missed out, your blind spots, or where you're not able to score well, in the subjects of history or polity, economics. Strengthen your weak points. It's good to have only the strong points to be high, but UPSC is such that if that year your high where you're the points or where the subjects where you're good at, if they don't ask any much questions, it has been there. Suppose in polity quite a lot gets asked. History was such an issue a few years back. Only around less than 10 questions were asked in history. So some people whose strength was in history, they suffered. So your preparation should be balanced in all the subjects. Thereafter, you give your best, you pray to God, you see how the result goes. And when it doesn't come out also, you see where it went wrong. Do not just sit maybe 1 day, 2 day, you're sad, you're disappointed. No doubt. Get over it. There's more to life, right? And then you see where you went wrong. In my past attempts, I would say I went wrong in my CSAT. Then if I look back in my interview, as I said, essay is important, right? In that attempt, my essay marks were lower than I expected. Much lower than how I usually score. So I was quite disappointed that my essay marks were like that. That's why those are the portion I feel from my side. Brother also will tell his side of the story where what worked for him, what didn't work for him. But for me, those are what works and what didn't work. Yeah, that's it.
So, sorry na ni, buat na comprehensive na handi dah kani na. To be so kana UPSC tong ha kamai na kamita kakazayan ro prelims. I don't think you have a problem with prelims. No, that's the thing. UPSC ha prelims mains interview no ina ni. Ma ha atong strong point rona time ka ho or mains ka ho confident no ina ni hang. Kuma ki prelims wa hang weakness no insi. Kuma etong kuma atao mai boy mani akop mai ni noi bangai kan prelims pangam mai mains so pangam pende te me confident noi me noi kan ni ko meni noi ko ma thawam nga kha to bi so khana ka tong weakness ha boy na noi ngam to ni mai UPSC to nga ko mangang kha to bi so khana tha atong UPSC tong mains song kha so hey chai ni sa kan te optional tong so kan ni so optional ra choose some nga ta public administration only choose drina or chemistry graduate kini public administration choose dam ta so to be so khana ni UPSC thora to ta system UPSC panu han ta plop ni to ni be so khana hai ani ton or chemistry lo de ki tin ko me so lo ki na ma stick so kan ta ni ngam la ni to ni kuma ani pa mi ni sei noi na physics or chemistry for graduate sum nga kha they have spent lots of years in to be so khana chemistry physics ni, so they don't want to move away to other subjects. So that is also that pulls down their performance in UPSC. Kom any noi to ni kom any gian to khanoi kom prelims nga how weakness na prelims ni to be so ma khak na ra pa ma tu ni ma ka dada chen tha GS thowa khamara she said pang to drop ni noi to she said some of us don't take she said seriously ni be so khana pakni ni ki tum ton ta kom ni noi kom ka tong weakness boy na noi ni at UPSC za he kuma last survive mo ban we ki ho atong points la ni ma experience ro ni so ni ma tem kyu if you're giving UPSC ni 2-3 years prepare so kan to ho you'll have a knack of it need to be so na haita to metong experience noi kam ta haita kom ta kom ne to metong personalized metong system ngom ni na ma khaw ni haita kom na tha kom ne to metong noi na kom ma tel ma khaw ni noi me to kyu oi prelims pa ta mains kom ne to metong idea ta noi ngam na ndo na ni tel zero my viewers pa ni noi ma ne kha thaw ma ni na kan ne kom ka tong weakness boy na noi de kom jang experience ta gon ma hoi to personalized me experience ni phang ma ha na ni khang gaina lo taw ni hai ter swat hai ta kom ni hai ta kom ni tim to ni personalized me lo taw ni ma haya UPSC to na ka do is na I the press la ni me ni I want to encourage our aspirants ni to give other exams also don't just stick to UPSC ni UPSC don't ha to kom nai thum ai ta som kom personalized one ne to you try some other exams also ni that will give confidence for you to be so na banking assistant commandant CPF ni SSC this will give confidence in a way ni UPSC you have to wait for 1 year to give prelims again ni so we don't generally have that energy to spend 8-9 hours every day for 4-5 years so instead of sitting 6-7 hours every day just studying for UPSC try for some other exams also in the way if you crack that exams some other exams it will give you confidence ni ai khanoi ko ma khadro saloni merona I UPSC interview ho in 2020 I could not make it to the final list ni because of the interview so after that I changed my approach and I started giving other exams to be gongbo positive gongbo ki banking tong gom nga interview lo na IBPS ni to UPSC kha traumatic su to ni as interview pan khe kom na ni question our own personality my personality does bisokna match su tim nga ni UPSC kana to question gom nga kha UPSC ho interview go liang kana ka thom ha to me ko ngan de ne si ni kom to banking ho de banking go na ko nga kha banking to interview interview go de ni interview go nga ta marks na go na padrin ni ko ma confidence law dan ta so next time I go to UPSC I think I can make it to khat padat ni confidence khati law drina and ultimately I joined banking also and banking to go nga kha to be so bo ani wa hai ton to nga tha company de ki ton ka gan noi tram ki tum to zo company discourage so noi ni kum lo na ram kha pu ta jana ba me noi thani ni kha lo ni me tum ki ani wa top post yes we have to aim for it ni but ani to noi na se idealism and realism ni pragmatism kathop noi na idealism is that you have to make it to IS in a single shot ni but realistically it never happened ni to be so only for some few lucky people ni who are hardworking and also to be so it's more about external factors ni gaina noi na ni pai na noi na ko ma ni noi to kuma hai tuang khatani ni khan khoni last sogai mo he ki saloni mai tum ki ni to parents ni viewers pa ha saloni mo mogo ina ta encourage lo ni golawai ta encourage lo na competitive exam boy hang thoni me koi kan tani ni exam banking kani bang dia all other departments ma khati tho khani hai ro na to be so about ki UPSC kha ata CSET to mia relate to how na SSC kana ni SSC kana hai ta banking company ho paina relate to ni so if you're giving banking you're in a way preparing for CSET of UPSC ni company noe kuma paina kuma relate to noi de kuma exam goina tho hang encourage ho kuma aram kho mentality noi me tum ki banking tong ko mai ni boy me exam pa ho ti duam khat to ko ma khanin ning to ni civil service na di het tum to only civil service if you make it only to civil service it's successful ni count as successful to many noi ton si ko many ni lo ho ning exam goi tho do ni ani to experience khade the bank ho bama MPSC ni ma padanu na parina ro zen pon ni kum to ho instead of bi so khana pangam nga ni kuma gwa preparation su chuin su bam thonu de kini exam khan ha focus na thone tho pangam nga kuma kha kane to ho hai phone to ho exam go en ha za ta na ni hai to nga kha khalo to na kuma thoda bam ro gang pu ngai ni nge kuma kha so se ma ke sala da ni ma tim kini pui pu pang kha support has lo ni he ni not non pan ta ni kuma exam team nga ha support ni mai tim kyu failure so noi na competitive exam ko ni failures noi nga nga ta as suina su do kum do tum to hat support system kha ha noi ni to ni ko lum no na su ni to ha ya pui pu ni thong ko ni pui pu to thong ko ni ni so ai ko no pan ta klam hok ni support suina so mi ta kai ma gan ta you face so many failures ni kuma how support slam kha ta pai na noi ni ai ge noi ma khare kuma ni hard so that if your lows if your highs is high ni your lows will also be low to me hanoning so ni tong kai ka me ta khan ke failures na as cloning kai ha nga kai lo ka me tong sam ta padam nga ni udrin ni ko me no ta tom de ko ma give up su nga ni exam go en ha try su na bam ho ko ma aspirant go ta exam tong ni tong mentality da ni hai na kha tu me tong ta ni noi na hum su bang ho ki ho exam khat ta ho underestimate chum zon ani so hai ta ho success ra ma ko man ning mani ro ani nge ma ho na tong go ti thani le so la ni me tum ki ram kha je te bank ni na si ta go ma kha ram no pa ram me sin dung ma tha go ha de he if you go ni sister Guikhan go hin ani bank kha go ma kha ni Rame Janengrong community rena dungmang phone to ho di go na ni but you have to speak in Manipuri or English right to get your required service so anyway khan ja ti tha community nga khan ni thani don't we have that resource ni I think we have that enough population enough aspirant ni ni na exam go department go ki ma tho na ni na sin bin ne tho un Tamenglong be more resourceful and beautiful ni in a way na tawara department kha tawara me what ra dung pri ni I ho this not what we should aim for ni ani tawara khan thiam me do me ba kan ni from the lowest to the top ni are people not I'm not talking about other district ni but Tamenglong I think we should have that we it's never too late but ni nian hon nian he ne mo he ni khoi na kha kuma thiam khro do em phe ku to ni kha waran pe ne tum ta salam to
Pai na khathun ko thai kuma sa join sala kan thai ma it's better to be late than never de ni kate shan ni ads la de ni kuma ta ngai sakai kan khata ta anyu tung community kharina ram ga tha ni tung town kharina service da ram ga ta department ka bam gai kan ni thai tum ta kai ha ge ta anyu kho ho ram su ma bam ba me na bai mai pang tu khani bai mi community tu khani kan yu na anyu khata ni ban ti mo kan yu ta staff pa mak mai kai ha ke ni bankเขาบำนุเอบ่ายมี department เขาบำนุเอกันอยู่ตรง issues นะที่มกันอยู่ posting แต่วงตักมึงไหมกลุ่มนั้นอยู่ของไปนะคะ issue ไหนนะบางมีนั่นนี่มีแต่นี่ open up สเราคันนี้หนึ่งในตรงexperience ของเราช่วยนะสาลมแต่ทนกูเทก็มา question ในทันนี้ฮักไม่นะไรเดียก็มีกี่รวยไก่ใจไม่สนะตาวหนึ่งใน mens นี่ interview นี่ก็มา experience กับหูคนนี้สุดเราไว้กันที่นั่นนี่ก็มาweird ตรง difference ในบ่ unsuccessful และนะ successful ตรงนะคะเติมตักติดนะคะมา short ก็ share แล้วคำปัว
so right that ni I gave UPSC interview in the year 2020 but I could not make it the mistake was that new interview we took it lightly ni some of the misconception that our people have in interviews that when you go for interview more like a boastful type ni to be so khana you should act like a officer already or to be ngam sam ton ta kha body language adu da paina advice team ta lot na tum ge ki ho it's more about our knowledge ni pi ho plum ni den si pi ho rin noi to ni tung mindset ni our knowledge interview kho ja ma personality body language koina zel da ki ho in my perception ni in my experience I think our knowledge top the chart ni han mrap tumwa ta kom me don situation para tumwa hanan to be kom me tong tia kha ton kai na to de ni so in that kind of questions ni to knowledge เนี่ย knowledge ถึงคือ wisdom ให้ตัวบิสคนน่ะ lyric point คนนี้ปะเป็นให้นี่ก็ไม่ต้องกันเขาก็ไม่ต้องปั้นงานเขาก็ไม่ต้อง loss นะก็ไม่ตัวไม่ต้องอ่ะนี่ lyric point ที่เขาถอยตรงนี้นี่เลยนี่ตัวบิสคนน่ะรำคนนี้ว่าฮะ in our community when you go there you have to act a little bit boastful or something your personality should ตัวบิสคนน่ะก็ติดน่ะเนี่ยไม่ต้องสรุปกันนี่น้อยหนุ่มไอ้ตุ้มก็เขาก็มา advice ที่มันน้อยนี่ yes it's true to some extent but when you go there นี่ interview ล้อมก็ humble ดูก่อนนะจะ knowledge สักไอ้นั่นร้อยนี่ตัวบิสคนน่ะให้ตัว misconception นี่หลังกันเขาก็มางามซ้ำซ้ำมาแล้วส่วนเขาก็มาที่ท่าก็มา mark ตีรักกันนี่กี่ตุ้มตัว conception น้อยตัวนี้ให้ตัวรับมาตัว interview เขานี่ you can fact it also นี่ facts นุ่มกันนะถอยกันนี่เดี๋ยวนี้สิกันนี่วูดอัพตรงนั้นแต่นี่ก็ไม่ตัวนี้น้อยก็ไม่ interview เขา prepare สำหรับเขา likely ที่น้องสมัยตัวนี่เขาน้อยตัวนี้ก็มาวูดอัพมาไม่ดุนรีวรับมาหนูให้ได้ตัวมันตัวตายเขาสุกันนี่ให้ได้ตัวน้อยตัวก็เหมือนกันนะก็ในตรง question the guilt ตัวนั้นสุดนี่เดี๋ยวนี้อันใจเราสักคำแต่อันนี้ตรง background นี่น้อง school ให้ดูคนนะให้กูล้อมไม่ตรง background ไว้ถอยนี่เดี๋ยวนี่น้องตรง village ตรงน้ำถอยนี่เดี๋ยวแต่แมงน้องตรงแผนนะ study สุดตรงนี้นี่ตามงาแต่ก็ไม่เท่า whatever you have experienced นี่ whichever place you have visited นี่ in all your personality something that touch with your experience นี่ให้กูให้แต่กองสุดตรงนี้นะพอตรงนี้นะนี่กูงาเขาไปนะบาสุดเดี๋ยวเขามา interview ให้นี่ likely สุดนะเราขนาดไม่ก็มาแต่อ้อยซ้อมแต่เลย example บ่อยมา banking ตรงเขาก็มาถ้า assistant commandant ตรงนี้เขาทีมงานเขา opportunity พังไปนะ interview กูต่อเขานี่ก็ไม่ต้อง interview แต่ mock ไหนที่น่ะ difference I think there's a bit difference between the real and the mock interview right so banking interview also almost to be so kind of I wouldn't say that to be so exactly like the UPSC type but somehow it gives you that experience นี่ก็มึงเขานี่ก็ the face ก็มึงเขาว่า experience interview ตัว experience นะมึงเขาไปนะนี่ตัว confidence ที่น้อยล้ำตัวนี้แล้ว and on top of that แต่ UPSC interview ไหนตัว MPSC ตรงเขาสอบมึงเขาตัว that time I came as a fresh graduate นี่ fresh graduate นี่นะ I don't have any working experience นี่ก็มึงเขาไปนะนี่ความให้ตักติดนะคำว่าของenrich หลังมาขัดหน่อยนี่กี่แต่ MPSC เขาก็เขาI came as a working individual นี่ผมก็เขา my experience in banking นี่ my experience in UPSC ก็มาให้แต่วันนี้ discuss กันได้ MPSC interview แต่นี่ก็มาเขาไปนะนี่แต่ข้อหลักไม่ตัวนี้ก่อนตอนน้อยมาตรง experience เนาะ interview as far as interview is concerned นี่ให้แต่ขังน้อย
Yeah, in interview aspect, when you think about that, as I have said, it's a bit difficult you cannot predict anything, right? You just have to prepare. And as he have pointed out also, it differs from individual to individual per se. And as he have said, brother also have said about knowledge, right? Luck also is there, okay? Sometimes the interviewer will ask you questions where you know more. Suppose, for example, in my interview, the board chairman, he's directly asked me about the issue in Myanmar, which I was quite prepared about. If he had asked something else altogether, which I barely read or skimmed through, that first impression is important. So the first impression you have to do well. So if I am unable to do that, my marks would have been bad, I think. Because per se, the UPSC interview marks, mine was above average, I would say. And thereafter, the difference as you asked for, right, about not clearing and clearing, I think I would slightly deviate from that. But I would say you should not let it get to your head, right? Even failure, success. I am reminded of that. Many of us would know, I think, the poem "If" by Rudyard Kipling. He said, "You should not let it get to your head. Whether in success or in failure, you are still able to keep your head. Then yours is the life." That poem says, no? So also, I believe that no matter what you face, you should maintain your sense of self. You are here, you made it to the interview, that is also for a reason. You didn't clear, fine, you can try again. There's also an opportunity in different aspects, right? As brother pointed out also, other exams also you can give. That is also true. and experiences come. But I would just add to that, I would say, but be careful whether it deviates you away from the main goal or not. Okay, like how it aligns more. Some portion, if you talk about the MPSC and the UPSC, the goal aligns. It's in the civil services. Then if you study for banking, the calendar you have to look properly. When is the exam? When is how you will be able to prepare? Because as he would tell you, preparation strategy is different. Right, it's very different, banking and civil services. So you need to put in the extra effort at the end of the day, whatever exam it may be. And the difference, I would say, is that yes, indeed, I was really disappointed when I could not make the final list. But you have to pick yourself up again. And success also is a very humbling experience. It's gratifying as well, but it is also a very humbling experience that we are able to be a representative for our community, right? In the civil services now. As we proceed further also, I believe our experiences of the past have built that strong character in us. It have taught us more about persistence. It have taught about perseverance. It has also taught about how the integrity that we need to have. Okay. Thereafter, this service that we are about to enter, I believe challenges will be a lot. And our experiences of the past and all, I believe it have also built a certain endurance to things and understanding a broader perspective of life. And another aspect with the interview, clearing and not clearing, is, as he also in his own experience he has said, the support system, family support system and all that is very important. In my case, I would like to point out, I would also give my gratitude to all my family members, not only my immediate, but the extended family, all my mothers, all my fathers, all my brothers, sisters, right? Every Monday, they made it a point to come to my house and pray every Monday morning. So I'm so grateful for that. And it is because of their endless prayers, no? That we take it as a community. We fight this battle as a community, right? And I believe God was very pleased. That's why he blessed us with that. And we need to take each circumstance that we face, be it success or failure, you must be able to analyze it. And this success as well, I believe it is also for brother, as you have said, also for me also. It's a stepping stone, right? And the ultimate goal for us is still the UPSC, right? So that is the ultimate goal. And this is definitely a confidence booster. And even in the interview, it becomes a subject where we need to study, right? When we are working, they will definitely ask us about what you're working, what you are doing. Then that becomes a short way where what you prepare will definitely be asked. Okay, so for the interview, it's wonderful, I would say, for the future to come also. Yes, and I think that is it to add right now.
Thank you so much. Kuma atong interaction kau ni atong tao suna pung about my leaders student officers nun tan slawe the retired officers nun tan ni kuma slawe ki kanyo ho working experience ka kaina sa kan tim ho exam preparation kata ho kagan sanggo megan kata ni details na ni kuma intensive na sa tao dam pin ni ra chui na ra la thai kuma king lau menas ni ani kuma exam tham the pressure ka tu pressure ka kuma donga ni ta ra chui na ra lam ta chon ko thai kuma atong assumption kani ban me chup ni la ni thang mai kin nang nai kuma taw ni stage ka kula hai mit ke hai nai rina hai pha oi di he nang nai ra nang na ta limit sum nga bam e ta ni kuma help lawe ni kuma gon da nim gan kani gai ram ni la taw kan yot no kuma sa law ni kuma ni society hang sna ho brother Dinsuibou point to come to ni ga ha kai khut mi pang not only just immediate extended family pang ni gonga success sumak mai ni in a way nang rina ho family can contribute financially to ho kuma tinga mas ni nang khang rina wong kari unite law kan meta nang rina kuma itong level ha bam da na me goi na ta kha law dat me gan kha not just family ke khut me goi na ta nam me goi na ta unite su gong ran da ni me ta ni hao palau na kuma ga hak me point out lam ta ni thun ko the kuma ตาวสักก็มาให้ตวง prayers ก็ไว้เนี่ยแต่นี่นังขังกายฮักไม่เท่เขาแต่ pressure นี่ดิหินันนี่นังเนี่ยค่ะนี่ก็มาตาว officer ค่ะสุดนี่เท่มีก็ typical talk สุดาข้อตาวนี่ exam ก็แต่ก็ดูหลังแค่นั้นนี่ก็มาหันประดักขัดนะตาว officer ค่ะสุดนะก็มาตานกงนี่เท่ก็มีตาว exam นังใน prepare สุดนี่สุดละก็จุ่มตาวนังในเขา responsibility นังในเขาดับนี่ก็ขุดมีครั้งสุดนะเขาการขาดตาวตั้งกันให้นักนี่เขา they will relax for now มีกิ่งใน pressure วันนี้มั้ง maybe already pressure นี่กูมาผลให้กี่ whom are you going to get married กันใน eligible bachelors บางจานนั่นนี่ so ideal women รำกันจะท่านังใน look forward สุดนั่นนี่ที่นึกมา share แล้วปะ
Go ahead. Go ahead.
After the UPSC interview
แต่เขาตัวบิชเขานะก็แล้วนี่เราที่มั่มเขานี่ตอนมันนี่แต่แบงเขาตอนบ่มตัวเขาexam นี่ตะไคร้แบบเด็กก็สินะเขา that idea นี่ idea มาปุยปูรนี่เฮก็มาwell wishers นี่เฮนี่ก็คนนี่เฮนอกแกล้อมกันนี่คงเป็นเฮตัวนี้ต้องคัดก็มาสอบเขาเฮนี่ it's not like ตัวบิชเขานะUPSC เท่าไรfresh graduate นะทอมเราตัวเขาเราเขาแก้วเนียนไม่ได้ตรงไอ้ตัวนี้สินี่กี่แต่เขาแก้ววิวเฮแก้วครั้งนี้สู้เขาตรง pressure นี่ yes definitely is there and I would say that ideal woman นี่แต่น้องชมเขาตาครั้งสุดนะเขา I must say by God's grace I have someone นี่กลุ่มตัวนะเขา I don't have to elaborate on that qualities นี่ so I'm praying นี่ตวง timing คนนี้ in his own time to get married with the person that I have found มาให้จะหน่อยให้ก็มากรุณาปัวนี่ก็คุณชนะดวนนั้นมึงเขาตัวบิชเขานะอันนี้support system ก่อนนะนี่ขังนี้ก่อนนะสุขังนี่ขังนี้ก่อนนะสุขังก็ไม่ต้องแต่ตรงจูเขาหน่อยดิ่งละตรง aspiration boy นี่น้อยมันกันน้อยนี่ผมสินะเขาขังสุนะเขาน้อยนะบัมเฮนี่มา to get married นี่ it's on the way so yeah I'm praying for that in his own time นี่
no advertisement required
yeah as you said it's tougher than UPSC question yeah but for me my primary concern is not that right now I would say that okay for me my primary goal is right now to clear the UPSC I would say this success have rekindled that flame and the belief, right? The faith that I can do this, that attitude is rekindled, I would say. Yes, no doubt, since when I was young, I would say, teenager? I have always prayed that, I don't know when it would be, but that God would bless me with a wonderful person. And I used to pray that she must be like the scripture says, right? In Proverbs 31. Right, I believe it was 31, right?
31.
Yes. So I used to pray prayers like that. So I do not know what the future holds right now. So the priority is not that for me. My granny did say maybe it's about time, but I told her my priority is slightly different at this point of time, and I believe whatever it is, at the right time, it will happen, no doubt, and it's God's timing that we wait for. Yeah, that is it for now.
Okay. Thank you ก็มันในตรง personal สุภาพมันก็มา share แล้วมันขันแต่ทุนก็เท่มาก็การนี้ไกด์สิแต่การมีสาวนะ questions จุดนี้นะให้ก็มา skip สลาระกันนี่ให้นี่มีเกี่ย last message นะ communities ขังบัมปนี่ aspiring สนะบัมขังบัมนี่หนึ่งเรื่องสาระนี่ไหมนี่ last message นะ
แต่ interview เขาตัวบิชเขานะแต่สกายกับเขาตอนนี้สตั้งมันนี่ทั้งกูเราตั้งมันนี่ไปแน่นอนวันนี้นี่ก็มาเขาminds เราเรียวนี่ระหว่างตัวอะไรเลี้ยงเขาทั้งกูกันนายเขาปุยปุยสิไหมคันนี้ตัวwell wishers นู้นก็ขุดมาไว้นี่ขังเราก็ลุ้มเราบ้าไม่ต้องใช้ไว้นะแต่ไปนั่นด้วยนะทั้งกูข้าสุนัขเนมสุนัขมาสินะเขานี่ charge ไว้ที่นี่เท่ตัว charge นี่เท่leaders กว่านี่เท่นำ goi nam tong leaders goi ni the ram kho zeng rong me tong leaders nun goi ni vai khang ka phiat lo ba mai nun goi the names na naming sna ni particulars na sna ma sin ha pai na thong ku the kuma oir slo ni me tong point ta oi te slo ni han tak me no me tem ki mostly ni hapu tong message aspirant pang ta te oi so ni so exam ma thwa yo to ba me tong point ta ni exam tong ho calendar year hoi tingkom kha hoi exam na ru sui daw de ni thonu mia ani to interest me interest noi na kha thomam kha ni exam goi na thonu mia bank tong ni de SSC ni de ni UPSC to ni de MPSC to ni de ha pa kha regular su si ni kom ni ba me ni kom ha exam goi na pam kha ka jaw sui na ka jaw ho ni bi so khona khat na kha single out suna komam kho ki ho ka gan ta ni boy mini sunu mitong potential no isi sunga sumam zo no ning so kai diki tumitong ko meni ko me zo ta sorry ho ni exam thom nga ta te o so ko me relate su me no ina SCC to ran GK ti na ko mo ne reasoning na quantitative kai mo ne ni when it goes to banking reasoning and quantitative will be on the tougher side but GK will be on the easier side ko me no ina ni ko nga ha when you give 10 to 20 exams, competitive exams, including all the banking exams, all this thing. You have a fair share of experience. Reasoning, quantitative, it gives you huge confidence. Kuma, so points interview example IB intelligence bureau interview interviewer interview experience every exam has its own unique positive bias positive to be so experience exam goi ha thono tho ni try my APSC focus na bam ding na focus on mong he always crack prelims so for him it's like there's no point of giving there's no point of giving other exams he's just sticking on this but if you're one like me who could not clear prelims every year so it's better to give other exams also they will give you confidence in a way it will kill your boredom also bored so didn't say exam you cannot say for example 1 week you sit the whole week but the next week I don't think you'll have that same energy to study again everyone has that weakness but if you are studying for other exams let's say SEC 1 week at least 1 week you'll be very serious studying and the next week you relax and the next week coming week will be on banking let's say then at least one week you are putting serious effort for one exam that means in a whole year that the week you count that week to be 365 at least if you study 100 days seriously your chance of becoming a successful person successful candidate in competitive exams are much higher instead of just focusing on one thing banking to not focus there are some experience who just focus on banking but if they give exams like SEC they might crack it they have a potential in SEC also and some people who just focus on SEC and never giving banking also that is to be so they don't test their limits limit the test do you know your own weakness your own positive na khao nói mi ta strength nói mi ta thoi bap ne ni the oil lo ni ma to experience lo ni ma tem kyu banking first experience thor up to ne thom nga ta bu ting kum ta in that year I think quantitative was on the easier side I heard that so that was my first attempt but fortunately I could clear so tingkum to kai ko ku mi nói to so you just keep on giving kom ngang khon maybe that year you may not make it to one specific exam but by God's grace you might make it to other exam different exam you may prepare for something else but you may crack some other exam that is also there so test your limits everywhere how that will help you and at the salam we need more people in our in Tamenglong, just don't focus only on one thing ni. Just come back ni biso kana. You just go into one office, then you see people from other place working there ni. To be so, I'm not saying I'm not belittling their this performance or their you know I'm not saying that they should not come and work here, but the thing is that we have enough population, we have enough resource ni. But they are not focusing on this thing. They're community people just encourage people to encourage our young students ni to give all exams and let's celebrate every exam ni people who clear any exam, let's celebrate that success ni with the same energy, with the same enthusiasm with the same acknowledgement, with the same prestige as someone who have cracked civil service or something like that. Then if we continue like that, then people will ni to be so department nowadays we just single out one department as more successful than other department ni. That's true ni civil service tuang ko mai ni tuang prestige status ko manar ma ni tuang platform ta joy ko lon ti ma importance in success ta lo ni green mini noi ku me ki hai ta ni hai ta ni nu mo to ni ko ma exam goe tiam me do me thai me top am goe ta mo na congratulate sui la ho ni encourage sui la ho ko me to ho the next 5-6 years ni khan ja ho our banking hom tim ho thai na ni you will know this we can't used to come to our bank. So in the next 5 years, let's say, Canara Bank got up to you see all your friends. Let's say you see all your friends sitting there as a officers. How happy you'll be, right? I'm not saying we do not want people from outside, but we have the potential. We are not using that potential. Community as a community, encourage for exam, my aspirant go test limits go in on top of that luck factor that luck will come from your faith ni kalum ni mai pani mai to be so the experience lo me UPSC thok na ta first experience ni te I think I'll make it to me khanoina without putting that much faith in God need to be so khana akalum ha khang kalum many noi ki tum ja tem kai na ni ki ho personal conviction, we need to have that personal conviction in ourselves ni exam thom ngang ha kalum na ko ma su ko ngang ha luck factor ultimately luck factor when it comes from above ni ti lam ta kuma personal conviction kuma asloni ma khano khadro na ni as long as you stick close to your studies ni most of us stick close to God also ni dari poza mam putaro ko ni tali ma ka to de ki lari potan mo na atunga swai nu ge tu me ton luni noim putaro sa ni ta hien mo ni de ko me zeng khrona it's a kind of reinforcement ni khat ta chlo tha khat ni kum da ro ho wo ni studies ni sma than um khai tum to khan noi ni studies khombo wo ni ro ho depends on um khai tum to haya kuma relate na tarin ni ko me zeng khrona so ta mom to ku ta mom to noi thni ko lo ni kuma so tang thu ma so ra lang e to me to noi thni ko lo ho to me kin ni na lo to no me to point noi na noi gong ko ne to ni ta pi chin na pi ho kuma try to see so come kuma ni discuss one kuma ni this probably won't be our end ni let's hope for higher achievements ni UPSC thawam bne ko ha hai rona ngan mai so tani katong bon bank ni god's to be so kana katong ra khatina he tumni lo pani de kum eklo doiran mai noi na ro tiu ni to provision na ko ni tani ta do ta ni ni kha kha klum mom kho tum to ram salana ta
Okay. In concluding statement, right? It's similar to what our brother said. So in many aspects, I will try not to repeat. But yes, we are grateful first and foremost to God Almighty, and to Him be the glory. And it is by His grace and by His blessing that we are getting this opportunity to share like this also. Yes, our esteemed Assam Rifles has provided the platform. So we are grateful to them as well. Thereafter, as a little bit more from what brother has said, I would like to add that we need to be careful of the people around us also. Not everybody encourages us, okay? Even in your own family, even among your own friends, there's somebody who will not want the good for you. So you have to be careful of such people as well. Going back to the scripture, we all know Genesis chapter 1. We all know John 1:1. Words are very powerful. Words we speak, the spoken words, they have a power of its own. God created this world. The creation is through his words. So also we should be careful with the words we say. Especially I have seen this amongst our people as well. Sometimes they say very low about their children or very low about their siblings or their near ones. Oh, this guy, he cannot do this. Yeah, he is very dumb. We say it maybe like in a humble kind of way, but many times that affects the individual also. And children growing up as well. If you are fed the ideology that you're not good, don't do this, you're not good, obviously they'll grow up thinking that they are not capable. But if you are able to uplift the younger ones, the upcoming generation, so to speak, with good words, it will also mentally be good for them. Thereafter, demotivation will come from various aspects, as I pointed out. Keep your composure. You know who you are. Sometimes some words you take it in one ear, let it out in the other. It should not affect you. Thereafter, to all those who have cleared also, it's a big thing for our community, I would say. Many of us today, 9, is it 8? 8 of us. It's a wonderful achievement. But may this be a uniting factor for all of us as a Zelengrong community, right? May it not divide us. May it unite us in the days forward as well. And also, I believe it is our responsibility that, as brother have said, we need to see many more. Representation is what he was speaking about. So we need to see that, but that responsibility lies with all of us, with you, with me, with our elders, for the future generation ahead, right? So the responsibility is with us. So let us be mindful of that and do what we can, so that there, as he have talked about the representation, so that it will come, okay? So that it will be within this 5 years, as we have talked about, not 10, 20 years. 10, 20 years will be another vision, okay? But in the near future is what we should look forward to. And then I believe that is all another concluding statement I would say, which I always believe, wherever we go, the community has been so strong, right? Most of my life I have been in Shillong, in Delhi, and some parts. The Zelengrong community that we have, it's quite good. It's wonderful, the support that we have with one another. So in that word, I will conclude saying, Zelengrong Ringtelo.
Thank you so much. Kamal nai tung kagani ti patri na ti palaw na khani nang nai tung personal journey tai new community nun ka gwai nang tung result declaration karina chao kao na bam mai tao suna nang nai rung lao take made ke remaining 6 tani ni all kan ta chat me ka gwai na ta kaloi na congratulates la da ni kuma ta representation sa kam te kuma gan ta chat nas ni he tung top department bang ha bam dare thani differences ho pai na ho pap ni the me ni lum gai kuma congratulates lao mi kuma nang ni rina kao ran mai karama bam tani ra gong ring me khot ni tani gong tang mi sukani thot nak ma wishes prayers ani kuma ai ti law mi kum ni ton viewers ni ka wai rin ani kuma ti law na bam pong thei tum ta kuma sa law na sai tung interaction to mi kharinga law the next room when king sam dal kho thank you the
You are watching Voices Unveiled with Guikhan. Thank you.